it's starting to rain. I don't care if it starts to rain. Rain doesn't affect me. It's so damn dark over there. Well, not dark, but you can't even see sunlight. So I'm gonna come over. Oh my, look at that. That is scary. Bro, normally you could be able to see like hills from here. I'll show you a before and after image. This is the dang it. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Oh crap. Yeah. Alright, let me just get down real quick. I don't know if that was running. Oh! Look at everything. Oh, I'm a bunny! Oh, my chickens! Okay, then they're all hiding under the tree. You guys okay? Okay, I would like for you guys just to stay there. Now, if any lightning comes, it will be pretty loud because I did see lots on the way riding. I can't really see it, I'm pointing now. Bro, everything's like windy and I'm all wet right now. Bro, I'm gonna stay here and bro, it is so damn windy. No. Oh. There's the sky. Nothing too crazy. And that was me. Dang. Oh, just scratching my head. Yeah, over here too. It's like, I think it's not fully down here, but it's, whoa! A whole gust of just wind just picked up. Dang. This is probably, I'll cut back to you guys if it starts to like rain. I'll have a look at the weather forecast. I'll check that. But basically, just updating you guys on the weather today here in my hometown. It's just stormy. Anyway, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go roll a fruit for my friend from school. Anyway, guys, bye. I'll record it.